Hey Andrea, what are you doing?
Oh, hey, love. I am making you a lunch and a dinner for today since you have to go to work.
Ah, yes. I have to go to work. It's Sunday.
It is Sunday, unfortunately. No Sunday fun day for us.
Well, about 20 after 1. I'm getting ready for work, and Andrea's packing my lunch, apparently.
Yeah. So I got you some water and pasta salad, which I was just finishing up with. 2 turkey sandwiches. How does that sound?
Sounds great.
Good. Some barbecue dipping sauce, because I don't want the bread to get soggy for you.
Oh, that's so nice.
I know. What else do I have here?
Chips and salsa.
Chips and salsa. Oh,
Excellent.
and 2 leftover cookies.
Excellent. That'll be my breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
There you
Since I'll be
go.
on the road all day.
I know. And your salad, but what kind of dressing do you want?
I'll take some Western if we have it.
Okay. So my estimation, love, is that we are easily saving, what would you say, $10 here by making
Well,
lunch
if I
and
was
dinner?
eating out, it'd probably be a $12 day at least.
At least.
$10 to $12. So,
I would
probably
say-
about a $5 total for what we got there, and so that's a bit of a $7 slash.
Yeah. Oh, and it's made with love.
Indeed.
All right. So I think I'm going to send you on your way because we're ready.
Excellent.